How to measure for pole and column padding by Greatmats. Pole padding is an important safety feature because it protects athletes from serious injury if they happen to collide with a hard surface like a pole or column. Knowing how to measure a pole or column is important so that you order the correct size for a perfect fit. Today we will learn how to measure a pole, a column, both square and rectangle, and an I-beam for custom padding. Let's start with a regular pole, also referred to as a post. To measure a pole for custom pole padding, you will need the diameter. To do so, use a soft measuring tape to find the circumference of the pole. Once you have the circumference, you can then divide that by 3.14 to get the diameter. Be sure that you tell your sales rep the diameter of your post/pole or column. To measure a square or rectangle post or column, measure each side independently. It helps to label them in a corresponding order like this: A, B, C, D. Be sure to tell your sales rep the exact width of each side of your column or post so your column or post pads can be tailored to fit. Lastly, standard I-beam pads protect the face or front flange of the beam. You will need the measurements of these sides, A, and for further coverage on the beams B and C. Sometimes, an I-beam will need pads on all four sides, and if that is what you are looking for, please refer to the square or rectangle column padding. For angle beams, measure at the bottom and the top of where the padding will be installed. Greatmats offers the best wall padding products that are easy to measure and install. If you have questions about measuring, products, or installation, please reach out to the customer service staff at greatmats.com. They can assist you with ordering and make the process as easy as possible. We hope you find this helpful and good luck with your wall pad project.